In this video, we're going to look at creating a frequency table. Now, to create a frequency table, we need to find the maximum and minimum in the group of numbers to decide our classes, what our rows will be. Then we make a tally column, scoring off as we go along, and then we finish by working out the frequency and totaling up the numbers we have. So if we look at this group of numbers here of these ages, the lowest age is 3, and the highest one is 39. So I'm going to start with my first class to be 0 to 9, and then 10 to 19, then 20 to 29, and then the last one just sitting in 30 to 39. Okay, so I've done the first part there. Now let's look to make a tally column, scoring out as you go along. So every time I score out, so 22 would go here because it's in the 20s, I score out as I go along. So I'll try and do this as quickly as possible. 32 will go in the 30s. 11, another 11. We've got our 3, our smallest age. 28, 39, 20, 17. Now, 17, there's already 4 in the 10 to 19, so to make it a 5, I put a 1 across, all the way across, and then 12. Now I count up how many tallies I have. So there's 3 in the 0 to 9s. There's 6 in the 10 to 19s, and then 3 and 3. And the total, therefore, if I add these all up, is 15. Right, let's do the same for these scores. So I'm going to find the lowest and the highest. So 23 seems to be the lowest and 57. So I'm going to start with the 20s and 30s, 40s, and then finishing with the 50s. Okay, so I've done the first bit. Now I need to make my tally column, scoring out as I go along. A couple of 50s there, 30, 50, 30s in the 40s, 50, 39, 32, a 35. Now that's my 5th one, so I put 1 across. 45 and a 32. And then I finish my frequency. That's only got 1. It's got 6, 3, and 4. And then I add them up to find my total, and that will give me 4